Technology is growing and it's everywhere. It has become a vital part of our day-to-day life. What if you have skills and creativity to create your own world with new possibilities, using new technologies to guide you in your quest? Vitvaraa brings you towards new dawn. We are currently a technical education provider in India. We are educating the students in technical domain and providing the technical training services to the educational institutions and also online classrooms. Our main goal is to research and develop on embedded systems, robotics and Internet of Things. We are proud to work closely with the education community to bring the joy of electronics and engineering to the classroom. To better serve the needs of educators in bringing innovative REST education and project-based learning experiences into the classroom. At Vitvaraa, our mission is to put the power of electronics in the hands of everyone.